What shoe are we cleaning today? Let's do it! Hey gang, welcome to a cleaning video. These are gonna be so fun. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now, and below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. Add a .com to it and you can find the shoes that I pull out of beater boxes for sale. Or you can just look at them, that's cool too. How's it going, pals? Today we're going to be cleaning the 2013 size 10 black toe Jordan 1s from the $1,025 beater box from last week. Want to give a huge shout out to RESHOEVN8R for sponsoring this video. As you guys may have known, I've used RESHOEVN8R for years and I really actually like the product. Like, it's probably the best product on the market. Let's grab some. RESHOEVN8R offers a wide variety of products that can tackle all of your sneaker cleaning needs. The star of today's video is definitely going to be the Advanced Sneaker Cleaning Solution. You can find a whole bunch of other stuff that will make all of your sneakers look good at RESHOEVN8R.com, and when you use my code SBMitch10, you can save 10% on your order, which when you're buying a lot of stuff to clean sneakers, it can save you a pretty penny. So remember, RESHOEVN8R.com, use the code SBMitch10 to save 10% off of your order, because you want your sneakers to look their best when you're about to touch down on the outside world so people can see your sneakers. Sure. So let's go make these babies as beautiful as they can be. You're already So again, we are cleaning these 2013 black toe ones. Now, in order to determine what products we're going to be using, we have to determine what the actual materials we're working with are. So, 2013 black toe ones, we have a leather upper, full leather upper. There's no other material but leather on the upper. There is a canvas tongue, but that doesn't really make a huge difference. And a full rubber midsole and outsole. The goal we have with these today is to, number one, clean them, and number two, disinfect them. And overall, just make them look as new as possible, as clean as possible, because if you look at it like this, like when you're selling your car or anything used, you want it to look as new as possible. So let's lay out what we're actually using today. So, we're gonna be using, first off, the RESHOEVN8R hard bristle brush for the midsole and the outsole, and the medium bristle brush for everything else. We'll also be using the Advanced Sneaker Cleaning Solution and the Advanced Deodorizer Disinfectant Spray. To keep shape while we're cleaning, we're going to be using the RESHOEVN8R shoe trees. They are adjustable, so that's pretty awesome. And then to wipe off our solution, we're going to be using the RESHOEVN8R microfiber towel. Personal stuff that I'm going to use, the only thing we're going to use is this tiny screwdriver. And what this tiny screwdriver is going to do is get stuff like all this gunk that's stuck in here on the outsole. I like to clean the outsoles like that, so we'll be doing this. Whoop. Taking stones and stuff out with this actual screwdriver. What I just did was filled my little RESHOEVN8R collapsible tub with water, and you don't really need much sneaker cleaning solution. You just kind of loop, and you're good to go. The stuff is pretty concentrated, so it does pretty well. So first thing I like to do when I clean shoes is obviously take the laces off. Then we take our adjustable shoe tree. Ooh, these things are clutch. Holy cow. That's pretty awesome. Booyah! All right, cool. So step one for me, take all this stuff out of here. Okay, so now the outsole has a lot of everything gone from it, so that's pretty awesome. We're gonna take our stiff bristle brush, dip it into the RESHOEVN8R solution and water. Let the brush do the work. You don't have to press too hard or anything. And try that again. The brush does everything for you. Like, you do not have to press hard at all. One of the things I found that this thing does really well is gets everything, because you can see with Jordan 1s especially, stars on the outsole, stuff just gets lodged in between there, and this cleans it out really, really well. So. And you can see, not good as new, but definitely a lot cleaner. So, same thing on the midsole, go along with it. These midsoles in particular are not too dirty, so that's very good. You'll also notice when you're cleaning outsoles, sometimes, especially on Jordan 1s, the water in solution that you're using might get into the thread that holds the outsole to the upper. And that's fine, it's not going to stain it, we're going to get it when we clean the uppers. So then we take our medium bristle brush. This is my first time using the medium bristle brush. I'm very excited. Hopefully it rules. I'm sure it does. So you do the same thing, just work a lather onto it. Now these in particular have a little bit of glitter on them because Jordans from 2013 and to 2016 generally have glitter on them. Wow, this brush is awesome, holy cow. I'm not saying that because this is a sponsored video. I'm saying that because this is my first time using it, and this is very nice. You can go in any motion you want. You can use circular, you can use up and down, left and right, it doesn't really matter. It all does the same stuff on leather uppers. Whatever feels most comfortable for you. Now for disinfecting, this is real easy. Just take your deodorizer disinfectant, take out the shoe tree. Look at that. How nice. Just go boop, 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 boop. Anywhere from I usually do 4 to 6 sprays or whatever. But you want to let that stuff sit overnight to dry out, but yeah. Now let's do the laces. So you got your laces, real simple. And these aren't dirty, they're also black, but it also helps, you don't, so just dip it in your solution and you just kind of work it like you're washing your hands. Gets these things real clean. You can even see, I mean, I can tell, I don't know if you guys can, but you can see dirt is definitely coming out of these laces. With white laces, you gotta do it a couple more times. Let's actually go, since we're not using the actual laundry system, we're just gonna rinse these off. You can let them air dry, you can dry them like I am right now. Let's go clean these here insoles. So we brought our solution. This is what you want to use your soft bristle brush for, because otherwise it's just going to pull off the fibers. Work a nice lather. Kidding. This is a little uncomfortable, but I'm showing you guys how this works. That's the whole point. The reason you want to use the soft bristle brush on these, because you don't want to take the Nike Air off of here at all. You just want to clean around it. So. And just dry it off as best as you can. It's not going to get 100% dry. A lot of the stuff with cleaning is allowing things to air dry. That's very important. Cool. Clean insole. So now that we got most of everything done, toss your insole back into your sneaker. And then you can spray the actual insole twice or 3 times if you want. That will help with disinfecting and making it not stinky, which these aren't very stinky at all. So, and we're going to relace them. Let's do that. There you go. We got ourselves a clean pair of 2013 Air Jordan 1 in the black toe colorway. Let's circle back around. What did we do today? We cleaned the outsole and the midsole, cleaned the entire upper. We also disinfected and cleaned the insole and the liner. So that's how you clean black toe Jordan 1s from 2013. Jordan 1s in general are just really easy to clean, and it's just a good way to showcase how good this stuff is. So if you use RESHOEVN8R or want to try RESHOEVN8R, visit their website, RESHOEVN8R.com. You can use my code SBMitch10 to save yourself 10% on your order, which is awesome. Everyone loves to save money. Really looking forward to doing more cleaning videos. I really like this stuff. So I appreciate you watching. We got tons of beater boxes to open soon and just tons of other fun videos that are coming. Remember, the sneaker collection video is going to be at the end of the month, and it's going to be spooky. So again, thank you to RESHOEVN8R. Remember to use my code SBMitch10. Thank you to you, the viewer. I appreciate you watching. If you have any suggestions for future cleaning videos, because this is my first one technically, let me know down below, because I want these to be as informative and as fun as possible for you to watch. So thank you for watching. I sincerely appreciate it. Remember, they're just sneakers. Stop taking it so seriously. Have fun with it. I'll see you later. Bye!